Anyway, this is Eric Gausepohl, Summit Lending, and I want to go through for my refinance people real quick of what's going on in the market. As we know, purchase loans, really great rates. Even refinances are really good rates, but they've changed a little bit. So Fannie and Freddie right now, with this coronavirus environment that we're in, they're taking extra precautions, okay, because of the servicing with loans, with the first payment defaults, with people unemployed, so they're putting extra protection on loans. So, for example, on cash out loans, they are putting a premium on them so they're charging more because they're worried they will not purchase a loan. Let's say somebody does a cash out refinance and they have a first payment default. They will not purchase that loan, which puts mortgage companies in a high risk situation. So what's happening now is most mortgage companies are not doing cash out refinances, or they're hitting them pretty high, so it's very, very expensive. We are putting, it's a little higher, but it's not like those. We're still doing regular guidelines, everything's the same. But for example, before I used to say, okay, on cash out, which cash out refinances are, you're putting a first and a second together, putting it into one, that's considered a cash out, or consolidating debt, or just taking cash out and doing what you want with it, doing improvements on your home, whatever it is. But cash out refinances are becoming a little more expensive. So I used to be able to give two options, one with no points and you got to put your closing costs, we just add it to the loan amount, and then one was a free loan. Free loans do not exist anymore. There's either going to be two ways, or either we got to charge you points and you got to pay and do the closing costs, and again we just add that to the loan amount, or just the closing costs go on the loan. So depending on your FICO, your loan to value, it all depends. I guess my point is this is not going to change for a while. So this is the reality. Rates are still really, really good. So even with these points and stuff. So remember a quick thing. So if I have to add points to a loan, let's say it's $4,000 and we got to add it to your loan amount. Every $1,000 is pretty much $5 more per month. So if I have to raise your loan amount $4,000, that's going to be $20 a month. So it's not that big a deal. And again, if you are debt consolidating and you're getting rid of credit card debt and getting rid of debt like that, that should not even matter right now. Get rid of that debt, use your home equity, because first of all, I'm getting a lot of people going, well, should I do it now? Well, yeah, we don't know what values are going to be later on. We don't know if you're going to have a job. We don't know. Mortgage companies are tightening up everything with this epidemic going on. So we don't know what's going to happen. If you can get a loan now and save money and get your payment lower and increase your wealth, do it. Do it now, because this is the time to do it. But I just want to go out and explain, when you see quotes, this is the new norm. And again, it's probably going to get a little tighter, because the more people that are not making their payment and are doing first payment defaults, that's going to add to the pressure on the mortgage market. So again, don't look at this like a bad thing. Rates are still really good. If we can save you money and get rid of some of your debt and lower your payment, do it. So again, call me with any questions, text me, email me, and I'll explain more and do a cost analysis for you and see if it's a good deal for you. But I just want to explain that times have changed and they're not going to go back anytime soon. In fact, they probably will tighten a little more. So if you can save money per month on a refinance, whether it's a rate and term or a cash out, do it, and do it now. Why? Values are still there. We expect values to stay the same, and they have. They've stayed pretty much the same. Once this epidemic's over, we feel that the purchase market's going to take off again. So, but I'm just telling you, do it now. If we can save you money, this is the time to do it. So again, this is Eric Gausepohl with Summit Lending. Have a great day.